What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Guys, DeFi is under attack, and here is how we're gonna fight back. We're gonna fight back with knowledge, with education, okay? Because all these attackers, okay, so the yesterday attack fortune hunters once more, okay? So they've done a DDoS attack on Keiko Fortune, the Farm of Fortune, and Mischief of Fortune, okay? They all went down. But, like I said to you, they only attack the website. Smart contracts are safe. As long as we know how to play with smart contracts, we're good. We don't need the front end, because everything that we do on the front end and we see on the front end, we can see and do on the back end. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to read smart contracts and how to interact with smart contracts, okay? I'm going to start with 925, but if there is any other project that you want me to show you how to interact and play about, let me know in the comment box below, and I'll make a video specifically for that project, okay? So 925 is also under attack, and the scammer or the attacker is asking for $5,000 every month in order to keep the website up and running. Otherwise, they will attack the website once more, because the website was down, but it's currently up. Okay, so I'm making this video right now to show you how to interact with the project, just in case the website goes down. Okay, if the website goes down, don't panic, because the funds are safe. That might be able to bring the website down, but is not able to drain the contract, because the smart contract is safe. It's been audited, so we're good in regards to the smart contract. As long as you know how to read and write on the smart contract, you don't need the front end. Okay, the front end, the website, is just for us investors to be able to see and have easier life, okay? Because it's user friendly. All you got to do, okay, type in a few digits, approve, deposit, boom boom boom, easy, done, okay? But we can also do the same thing with a smart contract, and today's video I'm going to show you how to do all that, okay? So this is, let me show you, over here is where you're going to find the smart contract, okay? The 925 smart contract. This is the 925 smart contract. Is we can total value locked on the smart contract. So 70K smart contract, okay? Scrolling down, we can see you got code, read contract, and write contract. Over here on read contract is where you're going to find your dashboard. We can find the users, 5. So if you come over, let me see, where does it say? So home page, scrolling down, we can see number of users right here, 400. Okay, once this updates, so hey, 445, over here 445. Okay, what else do we need to know? So investments, it's about your wallets. You come over here to the MetaMask, you copy your wallets, you paste it right there, query, and your wallet's funds will pop up right here. So your invested is this amount, okay? Obviously, this is in code, so you click on this huge digit, it will take you to this page, and it will automatically convert those figures, okay? So you see this one right here, this is the one that you want to know, okay? So I invested 51.25 USDT, okay? So this 5125 means 51.25 USDT, okay? Simple. You come over here, look for BNB 51.25, okay? So what else do you need to know? Okay, you want to know the minimum and maximum. So minimum investment is 30. Okay, so how do I know that? You click over here, it will take you to this page, and you look for BNB right here. Minimum investment 30 USDT, like it says over here in the office. Okay, minimum is 30, maximum is 100K. Okay, where does it say that? So minimum 30, maximum 100K. Okay, minimum 30, maximum 100K. Okay, number of users 445. Okay, what else do you need to know? So if you want to know if you got any referrals, okay, because with this project you can get referrals, 4% from referrals. You come over here, you type your wallet address, query, click over here, read. Currently, I have no referrals, so no rewards. Okay, otherwise, I would have rewards available. Okay, so no rewards. What else do you need to know? User rewards. So if you want to know how many rewards you got available, again, you paste your wallet address right there, click over here, and it will show you. So click over here, and it will take you to this page, to the unit converter again, and it will show us how many rewards we have available. Over here in BNB, 1.1262. Okay, so if you come over here to dashboard, we can see that we got 1.47, a bit more, okay, but you have a roughly idea. Probably I will have to refresh because this page has been open for quite some time. Okay, so most likely I will have to refresh and the figures will be updated. Okay, and that's it. That's all you need to know in regards to your dashboard. So everything you see over here, I just showed you how to see over here in the back end. Okay, again guys, this is just to give you a heads up just in case the website goes down again. Okay, so now let's go to the fun and cool stuff. Okay, over here is where you're gonna write a smart contract. Essentially all these buttons that you see over here: approve, deposit, withdraw, compound, work harder, and over here withdraw 30% tax and compound. All of these you will be able to do with the smart contract. You are able to do. Okay, so first things first, you got to connect your wallets. Okay, so this is my MetaMask wallet. You hit connect, and once you are connected to your MetaMask wallet, you're good to go. Okay, let's say you want to make a deposit. Okay, so we already know before you make a deposit, you have to approve. You have to approve your USDT. Okay, so in order for you to approve, as you can see right here, we have no approval. Okay, we only have the deposit, but prior to deposit, we have to approve. In order to approve, you have to go to USDT smart contract. How do you go there? You come over here to CoinGecko, type in USDT, and over here we got the USDT. You come over here to the contract, and you look for the Binance smart contract, because 9to5 Binance smart contract. You copy the contract address, you come over here to BSCAN, you paste the contract address, and here we are. Okay, this is the contract address. Okay, for USDT. You come over here to contract, come over here to write. Again, you got to connect your MetaMask wallet, the same wallet that you want to interact with the 9to5 smart contract. Okay, very important. And then you come over here to the first option, approve. Okay, so on the approval, you will have to type in, you have to paste the 9to5 wallet address or contract address. Copy this one here and you paste it right there. And over here is where you're going to approve the amounts that you want to deposit. So for example, you want to approve 30 USDT, you type in 30 and then you type in 18 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you type in 30 plus 18 zeros. Okay, so once you do that, you come over here, you write, MetaMask will pop up. Okay, MetaMask pops up, and then you type in the amount that you want to spend. Okay, so you type in just like you do on the front end. You type in the amount that you want to spend. Okay, you hit next, you pay the gas fee, and boom, it goes through. So once you pay the gas fee, if you come over here to Ever Revoke website, you connect your wallet, you'll be able to see, I already done that. That's why I rejected the gas fee. Okay, so what I did was, so I went to the USDT smart contract on Binance Smart Chain. Okay, this is the contract right here. And I approved, I said to the smart contract, hey, I want you to let the 9to5 smart contract, which is this one right here, so 0xB366, 0xB366. I want you to let 9to5 smart contract use the maximum of 30 USDT. Okay, that's what it says right here. So I've done that, so that means I've done this first approval. Okay, so once you do that, you are good to deposit. So the way you deposit is then you come over here to the 9to5 smart contract, which is this one right here, and you come over here to deposit. Okay, referral address, you can put your own referral address, or you can use somebody else's referral address, just in case you're watching a YouTube video, or one of your friends or family member referred you. Okay, so you paste their wallet address right here, and you type in the amount that you want to deposit. So in this case, we approved 30 USDT. Okay, so that means we're gonna approve 30. Okay, you type in 30 and then 18 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so once you do that, you come over here, you write, you pay the MetaMask gas fee as normal, and your deposits will be deposited. Okay, so your total USDT will be invested right here. Okay, so these two functions, you already know how to do it. Okay, then how to withdraw your rewards. Very simple. Okay, to withdraw your rewards, you come over here, claim daily rewards. In this case, you don't have to type any digits. All you got to do is hit write. You pay the MetaMask gas fee just like you do it over here, and the rewards will be sent to your wallet. Okay, so how do you compound? Very simple. Compound right there. You hit write, pay the MetaMask gas fee, just like you do it over here, and you compound it. Work harder, same thing. You come over here. Where is the work harder? Right there. Okay, so you come over here, work harder, you hit write, pay the MetaMask gas fee, and you do the work harder. Okay, over here, referral rewards. Again, you will find it. Where is it? Referral rewards. So you got the referral rewards compound. So you got two options. You got the compound, you pay 0% tax, which is one right here, ref compound. You pay this, click this one, pay the MetaMask fee, gas fee, boom, done. Or referral withdraw. So you pay the 30% tax. You come over here, again, you hit right, pay the MetaMask gas fee, and that's it. And essentially that's it, guys. That's how you interact with this project from the back end. I showed you how to, check balances, users, your currently earnings, etc. Okay, guys, because essentially all you need to know is how much your rewards are available. Okay, if you have any referrals, how much is available. Okay, and essentially that's that. And as long as the TVL has funds, you'll be able to make your moves. And then I also showed you how to approve, how to deposit, how to withdraw, compound, work harder, etc. Okay, guys, so from now on, you will have no excuses to interact with this project. Even if the website goes down, you will know how to, check your status from the back end, essentially from the smart contract. I'm going to leave all these links. So the smart contract, the Tether USDT from the CoinGecko, also the Tether smart contracts, and also the ever revoke, because yes, once I'm done with this video, I'm going to come over here, revoke this smart contract. So that means this smart contract right here, which is 925, will not have access to my 30 USDT. Okay, guys. And yeah, that's there, guys. If you want me to make a videos about any of the projects, let me know, and then I'll make videos about how to interact with a smart contract. But essentially, every smart contract works very similarly. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.